All right, here's our magnum opus.
Okay, so on the front we have the IR light and the IR sensor. You can't see it super clearly, but they are plugged in underneath. The wires are running underneath our development board. And then, so the light running in series with this resistor into the breadboard, which is then run into ground, and then we also have it into P1.6. And then our sensor is set to voltage, ground, and 1.3. And then on the back here, we have our servos connected in, our power supply, which is on the bottom, and we, of course, we have voltage and ground connected up to our microcontroller to not short circuit it.
All right, that finishes the explanation. Let's see her in action.
Perfect 180.
All right, now to demonstrate the wall sensing robot. All right, see, sense the foot there.
So as you can see, once it detects something, it does an almost perfect 180.
Oh yes.
We estimate probably 210 degrees of turning, but it works.
Yeah, see,
There's some slight interference with the ground at the moment.
Perfect.
it's pretty damn impeccable though. Alrighty, quick code explanation.
So, of course, at the beginning, you have to define any variables. Since I is going to be used in our interrupt, it does have to be defined globally. For ease of typing, we defined our sensor and our light as their respective bits. And then as we move down, we have to set up all of the P1 and P2 directories and outputs, inputs, to find them all. Then we use TRA1, CCR0, that is the speed of the servos. And then this is servo 1 and servo 2 is TA1, CCL, TL1, and TL2. And then TA0 for the light. We set up the PWM for the light. And then, so this is the uptime, or this is the full time, and then this is the uptime. And then of course, make sure the light is selected and configured, down to configuring the
sensor?
Yep, configuring the sensor. And then, so these first two are configuring the sensor, the last three are configuring the sensor with the interrupt. And then down into our while loop. Turn the light on, have just both servos moving forward. Delay cycles there just to continue the motion. And then of course inside our interrupt, our hardware interrupt, check if the sensor and the input are the same. And then once the check is completed, inside a for loop to help with the delay, reverse one of the servos so that it turns either right or left. It really doesn't matter. And then of course, clear flags.
Alrighty, code explanation done.
Yeah, it works. wait, it's
It's doing so.
it's going slowly.
Oh, it is turning.
It's very slowly turning. Wait, is it?
All right, now to demonstrate the wall sensing robot. All right.
Okay, so as you can,
No!